Alright, the wife wants me to hang up some of her sewing thread. The challenge is there's 3 different holders and the thread can be pretty heavy. It needs to be out of the way, yet easily accessible. So let's see what I can come up with. Okay, the plan. So I measured the table, I measured the holders, and what I think I'm going to do is use this piece of wood, cut it long ways, kind of doing a French cleat thing, screw these guys to it, and I think we'll have something. So let's give it a try. Not too shabby.